Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about combinations. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. So we have 7 students. So we have B and C in here. And the question they mentioned that students B and C that are always next to each other. So that means B and C they will swap together in here from B to C. So that means this one they will have 2 selections. Now I will put B and C into S. So because B and C that is about S, so they should be like this. So that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that means in this one we just have 6 locations. So we will have about 6 factorial of selections in here. So we have number 2 multiplied by 6 factorial. And we got the final answer. And that is about 1444. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.